just your name in the quiet. I'm getting sick without your eyes, without your gentle hands on mine. I try to live, I try to breathe, but just a friend feels like a lie. They say that friendship never breaks, won't drown, won't burn, won't disappear. Then why does something in the dark keep whispering that you're still here? And I don't know how to live without you. I try, but every road leads back again. And I keep hiding in the word forever, while losing you inside. Just friends. And I'm the thief who waits at night, behind a mask I learned to wear, a borrowed touch, a stolen warmth, but none of it is really there. I've held what never was mine to hold, a lover bright, a fleeting flame, but one soft kiss became too real, and nothing ever stayed the same. Love came like a quiet storm, soft but stronger than my will. The only truth I've ever known, the only place I'm running still. And I don't know how to live without you. I break each time I say goodbye, and I would give up every illusion just to look once more into your eyes. Write to me sometimes. Don't forget my name. You're the light I couldn't keep, still the fire inside my pain.